Today we're showing you a 2020 John Deere 3025E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has a 300E front end loader. Tractor has very low hours, just under 50 hours, so the tractor is practically new. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. You can check the dates on the listing for the exact warranty end dates. It does have the John Deere style quick attach here for your bucket connection. R4 tires on it, hydrostat transmission, twin pedals there. It does have the drawbar kit on it, 3-point arms, top link, everything is here. Really nice sized tractor for around the barn chores, around the house tasks, anything of that nature. It's kind of a one size fits all. 2-range hydrostat transmission. You have a high-low range here to the side, and then twin pedals down below. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at massedtractor.com.